Okay. Tunajitayarisha kuja katika kipindi cha pili. Ni mechi kati ya Ethiopia na Rwanda. Ni mechi kati ya Ethiopia na Rwanda. Tukijitayarisha kuingia katika kipindi cha pili. Hii mechi imekuwa mechi ngumu. Manake si vile ambavyo ilitarajiwa. Wengi walifikiria kwamba Ethiopia ni wanyonge, lakini Ethiopia wamejikakamua. Mabao hapa ikiwa ni 20-19. 20-19. Rwanda wakiongoza kwa mabao 20, Ethiopia wakiwa na mabao 19. Mchezo uko hivyo. Huu ni mchezo wa handball, mpira wa mkono. Mchezo wa mpira wa mkono unaweza enda either way. Especially vile ilivyo ni kwamba mabao yakiwa 20-19, bado hatujajua ni nani ambaye yuko katika nafasi ya kushinda hii mechi. Kwa hivyo watazamaji, yenyu ni kufurahia mechi. Tufurahie mechi, mkiletewa mechi moja kwa moja kutoka katika Ulinzi Complex. Na hii ni mashindano ya Africa Zone 5 IHF Trophy 2022. Kenya ikiwa ndio ina host. Rwanda wameongeza bao.
We're introducing the second half of the match. Yeah. And the match is Rwanda versus Ethiopia. Yeah, Rwanda versus Ethiopia. And Rwandans are taking Ethiopians very fast and having lots of scores. And Ethiopians need to pull up in order to defend them from adding more scores. At the moment, Ethiopians are attacking. Oh, and unfortunately, they have lost to Rwandans, and it's a score. No, it's not a score. That was a very, very nice block. The Rwandans have lost the ball to the Ethiopians, and now the Ethiopians are going to attack at the moment. Let us see what the Ethiopians are going to come out with. Is it going to be a score, or are they going to lose the ball to the Rwandans again? Number 8, and then it's a score. It's a score. The Ethiopians have made a score, and now the Rwandans are attacking. Let's hope that the Rwandans don't get more fouls or lose the ball like they just lost. It's a score. Rwandans have gained a score again. Yeah. An update on this match is that the Rwandans are getting a hang of it, and the Ethiopians are following much close. Ethiopian defense is very good. Yeah, I'd say very good. They have a very good defense. The conversion rate is not good compared to the conversion rate of Rwanda. That means the Rwandans are scoring much than the Ethiopians at the moment. The Ethiopians are attacking, and the Rwandans are defending their keeper, and they're defending. The Rwandans have the ball. There is a foul. And there is 2 minutes to the Ethiopian number 7. He has been given 2 minutes by the referee. Yeah, 2 minutes. Now the Rwandans are attacking, while the Ethiopians are defending, and it's a score. It's a score. Yeah, sure, it's a score.
Yeah, Nelly, it's unfortunate that Ethiopians are giving easy goals to Rwanda. I think Rwanda they had to strategize because they are doing different defense formation. They are playing an open defense, and now it might work against them. Yeah, true, it worked against them. They play an open defense, and the Ethiopian winger playing on the right wing cuts in, getting the ball and getting a score. And now we have Rwanda attacking. The ball is with the right back. Yeah, and the right wing tries to make it, could not make a score. And Rwanda, they lose this ball to Ethiopia. Yeah. The Ethiopian player playing at the center back tries to get into the defense wall of Rwanda, and it's Ethiopia loses this ball to Rwanda. Oh, player number 5 of Rwanda tries to loop up the ball, and he could not. The goalkeeper takes that ball. Yeah. The Ethiopians are attacking. It's a foul against the Rwandese. And the ball is being brought at the 9-meter throw-off line. Yeah. The ball again with the Ethiopians. It's a foul against Rwanda. Ethiopia trying to penetrate the defense wall of Rwanda. It's not easy, but let's see what happens. This guy loses an easy ball. He throws to nobody. And now Rwanda has this ball with them. Yeah. The right back, the center back, the left back with the ball. The right back with the ball. And he makes a score. It's a score that has been made by the right back. Oh. The goalkeeper for Rwanda was out. And the goalpost was empty. And the Ethiopians tries to do something. I can see now, okay, Rwanda trying to employ a strategy here. Yes, play with an empty goalpost. Yeah. Bringing in 7 court players. Rwanda trying something new. And there, it's a score. Let's see what happened. Oh, it could not work for the Ethiopians. It's not that easy. I like what the Rwandese are doing. Coaches trying to bring in something new, something good in these junior championships.
Coach, I think we should discuss what is going on here. This means that the Rwandans are underestimating the Ethiopians, isn't it? Or what is going on? Because now they are leaving the goal and they're making players, you know, adding a player to replace the goalkeeper.
Yeah. Nelly, of course, what they're trying to do, something that is being now done in the modern handball. Okay. Removing the goalkeeper and bringing in a seventh court player. Okay. I think it's always good because we have not seen it from any other team, but we can see Rwanda, they are trying to employ this kind of tactic. And I think it's a good thing. Yeah, it's working for the Ethiopians. It's working with the Ethiopians, but I don't think it can work with people like Uganda. Yeah, maybe they might not try it against Uganda. But I think the reason why they are doing this is because I think they are ahead. They are ahead, and like they have already secured the lead. And they are comfortable with this. Okay, and. Coach, there is something we have been ignoring. We have not discussed about the match that has just ended. That was the Uganda versus Kenya. It is unfortunate because from the word go, we thought that Kenya would win because what happened is that in the first 20 minutes, Kenya doing some very good handball, and it is until in the second half, 7 minutes towards the end of the game, that the rain started beating Kenyans, and this was as a reason of two minute suspension, and now the Ugandans, they were able to capitalize on this.
I think that is our major point of correction. The Kenyans, I think they should take note. Coach, is it right to say maybe Kenyans were tired in the last few minutes? Because I'd really love to understand why Kenyans lost during the last few minutes.
Okay, this is the match between Ethiopia and Rwanda. And Rwanda pushing Ethiopia so much. It's a timeout. Nelly.
I'd like us to discuss that, because maybe we can, that way we can correct every other team that watched, streamed online, streamed live to help us watch, or maybe to watch with us. We just want to find out what happened. Why did we lose in the last minute?
As we are saying, there are several aspects.
My point is
contributing to this.
Could we say that they were tired?
Well, maybe or may not.
Okay.
But most of the time, when now a team players would play not real good defense. What contributes into this, especially towards the end of the game, it is when these players most likely get tired. When they get tired, and now they are coming too late to defend, and then because of coming too late, they cause mistakes that will get them out of the match. And I think maybe the coach looked at this, and maybe we didn't have what we could have done. Maybe bringing these players out and doing some substitutions and giving them some rest.
But they were substituted. I don't understand what happened.
Maybe they were substituted. I'm not sure, but I think we just lost our mind, losing our mind in the last 7 minutes, and of course Uganda being able to capitalize on this, and like we didn't know how to redeem ourselves out of it.
Could we also say then that there was tension during the last 7 minutes? Tension for winning or of winning, just tension within the players.
Of course we can be tensy, especially when the opponent is catching up with us. We were leading and we were doing good, but on the way we realized that the opponent is catching up with us, and this can bring some tension of a kind, and due to that, again, it can contribute into what we are talking about.
Okay. Yes. I think I hoped we could have discussed this before, so that maybe before Rwandans, before they started the match, so maybe they could have corrected on that. That is just what part of what took place some few hours before this match, and I was just giving you a headline, something that happened in the process, and we are just having questions on what could have happened, what could we have done, what might have been the cause of us losing, and how other teams can correct on that to have a good match and win.
Thank you, Nelly. The match that is on is Rwanda versus Ethiopia. Tuko katika Look Up TV na Mdhingi TV. Nataka kumkaribisha ndugu yangu Chacha hapa aweze kutusaidia na tuweze kuelewa kwa lugha ya Kiswahili sanifu ni kitu gani hasa kinafanyika. Ndugu Chacha, karibu.
Asante sana. Manake umeweza kujaribu kweli Rwanda kidogo wanaongoza na 31. Ethiopia wameacha, nilikuwa nakwambia. Lakini kwa kiwango kubwa tuzungumzie kuhusiana na miundo misingi, infrastructure ya viwanja vyetu. Ukiangalia uwanja wa Ulinzi, vile ambavyo umetengenezwa na mashindano kuandaliwa na uwanja wa Nyayo. Je, kuna tofauti gani na miundo misingi unapata infrastructure, kitu ambayo hatujakuzia kwenye mechi zote?
Tofauti iliyoko ni kwamba uwanja wa Ulinzi ni uwanja wa ndani, uwanja wa Nyayo ni uwanja wa nje. Ni kumaanisha kwamba haujafunikwa, haujawekwa kuta. Kuna tofauti kubwa sana unapochezea katika uwanja wa ndani na uwanja wa nje. Tofauti ni kubwa. Maana ukinapoingia katika uwanja wa ndani, hewa pale huwa nzito. Hewa ni nzito. Kwa hivyo ni kumaanisha kama ulifanya mazoezi katika uwanja wa nje na uje kufanya competition zako katika uwanja wa ndani, unahema sana, unasikia kifua inafungana, hewa ni nzito. Kwa hivyo sasa inamaanisha kwamba kila wakati tunapojitayarisha kwa michuano na pengine tutaenda kutumia uwanja ambaye ni uwanja wa ndani, ni vizuri kufanya mazoezi katika uwanja wa ndani ili tunapokuja tusichukue muda mrefu sana kupata uzoefu.
Unapozungumza hilo, hapa nchini Kenya kidogo viwanja viko vizuri. Ukiangalia uwanja ambao tuko nao kando na Ulinzi ni ule wa Kasarani kwa hisani ya Safaricom ndio wameutengeneza. So kiwango kubwa serikali inapoingia, hasa waziri wa michezo Babu na Mwamba, azingatie nini?
Bwana Chacha, ule uwanja wa Kasarani haujatengenezwa na Safaricom.
Kiwango kubwa manake wanasema kama ni kuliza ama ni kufanya nini?
Uwanja wa serikali ule, manake ile uwanja iko owned by the ministry. Lakini vile tunasema ni kwamba cha muhimu ni kwamba kuaccess ile kiwanja ikuwe rahisi, kwamba tunapotaka kufanya mazoezi pale tupate ule uwanja kwa urahisi. Itasaidia timu zetu, na especially timu za taifa, because kama sasa hivi timu ambayo inatuwakilisha hapa katika under 20 na katika under 18, hizo ni timu za taifa. Kwamba timu za taifa wakitaka kufanya mazoezi, uwanja kama ule wa Kasarani iwe ni rahisi sana, tuipate ile uwanja kwa urahisi, itasaidia sana sport zetu.
Unajua dadange yeye ucheza, yeye ni mwana klabu wa Kenya Waters, na kwa mashindano haya sijaona akina dada. Sasa sijui kama yeye yuko kwenye timu ya taifa, atuambie wanajipanga vipi kwa mashindano ambayo wanakuja. Yeye ambaye anachezea ni Kenya Waters, si ndio?
Nairobi Waters.
So pale mnajiandaa, je, ufanya mazoezi wapi?
Si ufanya mazoezi pale Kaloleni.
Yeah. Sasa hebu tuzungumzie uwanja zaidi, maana wewe ni mchezaji. Ukosefu wa viwanja umewaathiri vipi ambao mnafanya mazoezi? Ama nyinyi uwanja ni kama wa Ulinzi au mnafanyia hapa Ulinzi?
Kwa uwanja sina maoni sana.
Waona maoni. Lakini kumekumbwa na misukosuko ya michezo humu nchini. Kidogo ukiangalia football kuna misukosuko, swimming